Picture this: you are standing at a busy bus stop in New York City, and the bus is arriving. Do you know how you are going to pay for your ride? Navigating public transportation in the Big Apple can seem a bit complex at first, but with the right information, it is actually quite simple and efficient. For buses in New York City, you primarily have two main payment options: the classic MetroCard and the newer, more modern OMNY system. Both methods offer a convenient way to pay your fare and get you where you need to go across all 5 boroughs. The reason for these dual systems lies in the ongoing modernization of the transit network. The MetroCard has been a staple for decades, allowing riders to load money or passes onto a physical card. It is a tried-and-true system that many long-time New York City residents and visitors are familiar with, serving as a reliable backbone for fares. However, the Metropolitan Transportation Authority, or MTA, is progressively phasing in OMNY, which stands for One Metro New York. This system was designed for faster, tap-and-go payments using contactless technology, moving New York City Transit into the 21st century. It offers a seamless experience that aligns with global payment trends, making it easier for everyone. Using these options is straightforward. For the MetroCard, you can purchase or refill a card at vending machines located in subway stations and at many retail stores. Once loaded, you simply swipe your card through the fare box reader on the bus. Make sure to swipe it smoothly, not too fast and not too slow, for it to register properly. With OMNY, it is even simpler. You can use your personal contactless credit or debit card, a smart device with a digital wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay, or an OMNY card which can be purchased at retail locations. Just tap your preferred payment method on the OMNY reader near the bus entrance, listen for the confirmation, and you are good to go. A key benefit of the OMNY system is its fare capping feature. This means that once you pay for 12 rides within a 7-day period using the same OMNY payment method, any subsequent rides you take during that period become free. This offers a great value for frequent travelers, as you essentially earn an unlimited ride pass for the remainder of the week without having to purchase a specific pass upfront. The plan is for OMNY to fully replace the MetroCard by the end of 2024, though this timeline is subject to change. Understanding these payment options means you can choose the best way to pay, ensuring smooth and stress-free travel throughout New York City. Whether you prefer the familiarity of the MetroCard or the modern convenience of OMNY, both systems are designed to make your journey easy and efficient.